Here we have a Volkswagen Golf. It's a 1.6 litre TDI DSG match 115 PS. The car's a cracker and it has a good spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, an automatic post-collision brake, a forward collision warning, a hydraulic brake assist, distance monitoring, rear tinted windows, and 16-inch Woodstock alloy wheels. The boot's a good size as well, and it even comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has a composition media system, a multi-device interface, and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.